In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use Asana integration with HubSpot. By the end, you'll have HubSpot connected to Asana so your sales, marketing, and project teams can stay perfectly in sync. Start on your HubSpot home screen. From here, open the Marketplace. This is where all official HubSpot apps and integrations live. If you don't see Marketplace in your navigation, you may need the right permissions, so check with your account admin. Inside the Marketplace, head to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Asana. You should see the official Asana listing appear. Go ahead and open it. Before installing, a quick overview. Asana is a work management platform used to organize projects, assign tasks, set due dates, and track progress across teams. When connected to HubSpot, you can streamline handoffs from deals or tickets into actionable tasks, reduce manual updates, and give your customer-facing teams better visibility into project status. Click Install on the Asana listing. Make sure you already have an Asana account. If you don't, the flow will guide you to sign up. During installation, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between HubSpot and Asana. Follow the prompts, sign in if needed, and confirm access. You may be asked to choose an Asana workspace. Pick the one your team uses most. If you run into a blocker here, verify you're logged into the correct Asana account and that pop-up blockers aren't preventing the authorization window from opening. Once installation completes, let's confirm everything is connected. In HubSpot, go to your settings. This is where you manage tools and integrations across your portal. Navigate to the Integrations area, then open Connected Apps. You should now see Asana listed among your installed apps. Click Asana to open its details page. Here you can verify the connection status, review the permissions granted, and explore any available configuration options. This page often includes helpful links to manage the integration and understand how tasks will appear for your team. If anything looks off, use the Reconnect option or sign out and back into the correct Asana workspace to refresh the link. You're all set. With Asana connected, your team can turn HubSpot activity into clear, trackable tasks, reduce back and forth, and keep projects moving without leaving your CRM. If you ever need to troubleshoot, return to Connected Apps to review the status or reinstall. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.